Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, today it's a plant video and this is how my variegated spathiphyllum is looking right now. Lush and green with white streaks, and as I always tell you, I am loving this plant. But I have not seen it bloom. Maybe the coming season it's going to bloom for me. Now this is my curly jade, and this too is doing just wonderful, and it was a tiny plant when I bought it from the flower stall, and right now this is the size of the pot, and the plant has become very heavy for it, and it's toppling right and left. And so I plan to shift it to a bigger pot very soon, maybe this weekend. I'll try. It's a beautiful one, although it has lost its color right now, but it's going to get back its glow very soon. Now this is also a jade. This is called the mini jade or the Portulicara afra. This is the variegated one, and yes, a beautiful one. Look at the leaves. Some are white, some are pinkish, some are green with variegation, and the stem is red in color. Red, or we can say it's a deep pink. And yes, I love this plant. This plant is also doing extremely well. The plant actually has become big and it is getting heavy for the pot. This too needs to be shifted. I think all the jade I have to do the repotting together. Now let's see when that happens. Look at the leaves. It is so very adorable, beautiful. Very less care, yet a beautiful plant. Now this is one of the variegated jade which has been with me for a very long time. This tiny plant was bought for me by my younger cousin when she had visited Kalimpong for her official work, and this is how it is growing. I have already shifted this particular plant into this particular pot, I think 1 year back, and it needs another shifting, another repotting I should say, to be more precise, into a bigger pot, because the plant has got too heavy on one side and it is toppling. I think it needs pruning as well. This is how the variegated jade is cascading. This is also one of my favorite. The leaves are tiny yet a beautiful one. It's adorable. Now this is the dollar plant. This is how it is doing. At one time I had feared that it is going to die, but right now look at it. It's giving out tendrils here and there, and for this dollar plant it's better if you put it to a hanging pot. Maybe I will be doing that soon. And yes, I must show you this vibrant neon pothos. Look at it in the morning sun. It is looking just wonderful, along with the Kalankoi variegator. See how beautiful it looks. Pothos is going to make you happy always. Look at it. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, be happy, and it's bye for today.